Hello there, Chris Boiler Installation Specialist. Right, today we are giving back. So we're giving back a little bit to the community. What I mean by that, we are fitting a free heating system. Free heating system. So we're fitting a Worcester combination boiler, full system. So let me tell you a little bit about this. We're in a homeless shelter. It's Christmas time, 1st of December, just round the corner. And we're in a homeless shelter, bishopsstortford. And they've got no heating at all. They've got 2 radiators, 2 gas radiators, very old, about 50 years old. So now an old water heater has been broken, so we have no hot water or anything. And the homeless come to stay here during the winter, when times are obviously really bad, really cold. So we thought we'd get involved and basically come in and fit a free heating system for them, keep them warm through the winter months. So what we're going to do, we come in here and we're going to put a nice brand new Worcester 8035 kilowatt combination boiler. Right there, we're taking the old water heater out, so I'm going to brick that up. Brick up on the outside, cut a new flue hole there. This is the template for my boiler. That's what I'm going to cut my flue hole. Boiler will be there. Brand new heating system. Let me take you around. What we've got rads everywhere here that we fit in. We come through up here with our supplies. We've got radiators there. These are the pods for where the people are going to sleep. Got radiators going all along here, all along here. These are the boys installed in the system. Got pipes coming all the way through here. All the way through here. Got a radiator here for one of the offices. For the offices and all the volunteers where they sleep. So we've got a radiator for there. Right for the volunteers' bedroom here. So it's all been wrapped round. So all the pipes have all been wrapped round the whole building. And yeah, we thought we'd do a good gesture this Christmas and hopefully, well, most definitely everyone's going to be very warm this year. Right, here we go. New Worcester 8000 plus 35 kilowatt combination boiler. All done. We replaced that water heater, pipe work for the heating. It's gone down, through. Let me take you around. You've got radiators in there. Got radiator, Worcester Bosch easy control there. Got a nice radiator in there. And we've got radiators coming all the way along here, all the way there, all the way along here. Absolutely beautiful, lovely and warm. Pipe work wrapped around there, through here, through here. We have a lovely radiator. Oh, lovely toasty and warm in here. Radiator, all with thermostatic radiator valves. You can control each individual room, the temperature that is. And then we're up there. This is where the volunteers are going to be nice and toasty now. Oh, getting nice and warm in here now. So we've got a radiator here, lovely. And then we've got a radiator in the volunteer's bedroom. And here we go. So as I say, central heating Worcester filter. So we've gone all out with Worcester here. We've teamed up with Worcester on this one. And the boiler installation specialist who we are, we've actually fitted all this free of charge, believe it or not. Supplied all the pipe work, we supplied the fittings, we supplied the radiators, all the labour. Done it free of charge just in time for Christmas for the homeless shelter. So it's what we've done here, and we used all Worcester products. As I say, the boiler, we used the easy smart control Worcester. The controls, you can do it on the phone, and we used the Worcester, obviously the filter. So we signed this off with a 12-year guarantee for the shelter. So they're all going to be nice and warm this Christmas, all winter, and then forever ongoing. So thank you very much.